This is a Corvette 2014, which is similar to some other years. If you have a problem with your sound system and the navigation system, and then you have no display and then no sound at all, the problem most likely it could be the HMI unit on the driver's side, side panel, or if you have no sound, but sometimes the display might come on its own, and then the problem could be the tuner module on the passenger side, or could be even amplifier in the trunk. So in a minute we are going to show you how to remove the HMI unit and tuner module and the amplifier. To remove these equipments, the tools that you need is the size 7mm socket, and then size 25mm Torx screwdriver, plus this yellow dashboard removal tool or anything similar. Here is the location of the HMI unit. Is on the driver's side next to the side panel, is located vertically, does not have any screws. It's located under a plastic bracket on the side. Once you unplug it, you can just slide it out. And in case you change this HMI unit, you have to get it programmed, otherwise it won't work. This is a tuner module located on the passenger side where the kick panel is. The tuner module is right behind this plastic bracket all the way at the end. It's located, it has 4 screws which you need to remove it in order to get this tuner module out. And in front of that plastic piece, there is this kick panel here, the metal one, which has covered that plastic piece. And in front of this metal piece, and then this module is located. So you have to remove this module first, and then you remove this metal piece with the module, and then you will be able to see this black plastic which you need to remove it. It has 4 screws. Once you get that one out, and then you can remove the tuner module. Also make sure you remove this side cover before you're attempting to remove that tuner module. And here is the trunk of the Corvette. You need to lift up this carpet assembly, and then there is a panel underneath which you need to remove, and then the amplifier is right next to the fuse box, which has 3 nuts. These are the nuts. And once you get these nuts out, and then you can remove the amplifier.